Alam mo, ang dami talagang cool kids dito. Nakakahiya yung lukot kong dami. Talaga. Oh, ito yung isa pang cool, oh. Isa pang cool. Okay, I'll try. Kaso walang tao. Pag ito may size 9, sisigaw ako sa harap niya. Kasi nung last punta ka dito, size 8 lang meron. Pag wala niyan, yun. Hindi ako uuwing walang dala. Hanap lang ako ng tao. Kaso ang iniisip ko, ang bigat pala kapag dadalhin ko siya. Tanggal angas. Kakadating ko lang kasi dito sa parang store. Ano ko malalaman kung sino yung tao? Kasi yung, alam mo, may bago kong upload na video sa TikTok. Suot ko yan. Kaso size 8 yun. So, sobrang sikip. Hindi ko siya size 8 naman ako, pero ewan ko, for some reason, dito sa, na to, yung size na to, parang ang sikip ng sizing. So, 9 ako. Pero mas safe sa akin size 9. Kasi mas gusto ko mas maluwag. Tsaka, para masuot din ni mama. Walang walang tao. Teka lang. I want you. I want you so bad. Binalikan ko pa talaga siya. I want you. I want you. Kuya, where are you? I need this one. If I buy 2, parang parehas naman yung eksena ng brown. Habang wala pang tao, magtingin tayo ng iba. Tingnan mo, ang ganda ng mga eksena nila dito. Asan na yung mga mga sales lady? Charing. Don't let your body decide. Alam mo yung eksena nila dito, parang parang makaluma, ganun. Vintage. Yung parang tawag dito, yung parang ukay. Tingnan mo, oh. Ganun yung eksena. Gusto ko ng ng truck. Ano ba tawag dito? Truck. Yung jacket. Parang I want that. Anong color kaya? Nahihilo ba kayo? Hi. Do you have size 9?
Yes.
Yes?
What size?
9?
9?
9.
40?
39.
39. Oh, yes. This one?
Yes. No, this one. Oh, no, si Ate. Ate. Ang pagkakaintin niya, 4-0. Ate, please. 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 Please.
Huh?
No, this one.
Oh, 39. Wait a moment.
Baby naman. Charing. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Wait a
Parang,
moment.
okay. Kinuha na niya. Hulo. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Kinikilig ako. Kasi dun sa pinindot niya meron may 39 eh. As a spoiled brat. As a spoiled brat. Tingnan mo, ang daming mga... Ang puporma nila here, talaga. Oh. Pak. When in China. Nahiya yung ano ko, yung polo kong lukot-lukot. Ay, kawawa. Uy, pinapawisan ako kasi kinakabahan ako. Baka wala yung gusto ko. Rolled. Ang spoiled. Bakit ba? I want. Hindi ko alam magkano eh. Pero gusto ko kasi yung kulay. Don't let your body decide. Kasi lagi na lang black yung loafers ko. Wala akong nakikitang perfect shade ng brown. Meron akong gusto kaso wala na ata dun sa hala, ay kala ko si ate. Wala pa akong brown. Hala. Hi! Tingnan mo, kilala niya. Hala! 39?
Yes.
Oh, mo! Kuya, ano medyas ko ngayon? Ang gwapo ni Kuya,
上
charot.
次吃这个鞋没码，上线了一下午。
这儿还这么开心。
Oh my god! Oh my god.
事儿是一次，
Period. Uy, ang ganda.
就相当于没事儿，就正常。除了油，然后在那里玩，完了可能
Goodbye ka sa akin. Charot.
就事儿挺好。
Yay!
It's okay?
Yeah, I'll get it. Okay. Kunin ko rin kaya yung isa. Okay.
Okay. You buy this one?
Yeah. Can I try? Do you have size 39?
This one? This one?
No, the brown one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. This one, no.
No? No size 39. Okay, I'll just get this. Period!
Let's go.
Okay. Ang ganda ni ate. Ang gusto ko lahat yung ano yung acts of service eh. Ate naman. Ate, huwag kang ba-fall. Ba't kinukuha mo yan? Ay, sales lady nga pala siya. Tingnan mo, ang ganda na outfit. Gusto ko ng tracksuit. Tracksuit. Pilihan niyo ko ng color. Ayun o, ang ganda rin nito. Kaso parang ano talaga siya. Para siyang ukay, no? Parang hindi nakaka-fresh. Pero parang wala bang ano dito? Ayan o. Ang cute, no? Yes or no? Delivery rider, buwisit, balik. Ano ba? Nakakainis. Sofa. Di ba ang luma? Kakabi ko. Parang may gusto ko yung dun sa, yung red kanina. Ay, gusto ko yung suot niya. Saan yung suot niya? Parang dito ata. Alam mo, para siyang ano, kung black, parang lagi na lang ako naka-black, no? Iba naman. Saan kaya yung suot ni Kuya? Alam mo, hindi ko muna kayo papansinin na. Mag-ano muna ako dito, focus. Ay, look at this jersey. How about this? It's a yes or a no? Yes or no? Basketball player. Alam mo, end ko na yung live kaya. Nanggigigil ako sa inyo. Nang babash? Ito yung parang bet ko. No? Squid Game. Hayop. Squid Game. Buisit. Wala nang naging. Wag na lang. Pwede yung ayun, hindi ko na napigilan. Tinanong ko na nasan yung suot. Where do you get that?
Maybe have people try it. If you want, I can get for you. T-shirt.
T-shirt or sweater? Okay, thank you. Where do you try it? Eto. Nabubobo ko dito eh. Kasi kailangan hindi diretso yung English eh. Wow! Kasi you know me naman, straight English. Ito. Ay, parang ito, bet. Ang ganda, oh. O, bilhin nyo nga sa akin. Send gifts. Magkano to? Hindi ko alam. Anong size? Wait, ang bigat? Ang bigat naman ng hanger. Anong size to? Walang nakalagay. Ay, XL siya. Pero parang ayoko ng nung sweater. Gusto ko yung tracksuit. Ay, grabe naman makasinghot si Kuya. Ano, bilhin ko ba yun? Parang sakto lang. Ano pa? Gusto ko ng tracksuit. Kasi naman, binush lang ako. Wala bang navy blue na tracksuit? O, hanap tayo sa iba. Ay. Ang ganda din yun. Ano ba? Ano na? Anong bibilin ko? Hindi ko na alam. Ha? May nagustuhan ba kayo? Pwede pa sabay. Ate, ayoko nga maghawak nung box eh. Kasi mabigat, tanggal angas. Huwag na, okay na yun. Ano, bilhin ko ba yung sweater? Is it nice? Yung jersey daw, bet nila sa akin. Bilhin ko yung jersey. Anong size? Kasi hindi bagay sa akin binik eh. Hindi bagay sa akin binik. I don't like. Diba nga, I tried this on na before. Yung mga jersey sa Adidas, hindi bagay sa akin. Kung bilhin ko tong, black na naman na tracksuit. Ay. Ano daw yung bilhin ko na to. Size. Tanong natin sila. Hello, do you have size medium?
Medium?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And this one. This one too?
Okay, all medium.
Huh? What size is this one?
Let me check. This one
CN.
is L.
This is large.
It's L.
XL?
Yeah, yeah.
Medium.
Okay.
This one is XL too, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's just the medium for you.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Dead na sa bashers sa yun. Pagbagay. Dead na sa bashers. Thank you for the lion, guys. Ayan na, may pangbili na ako. FB10. Oh, reklamo ka pa. Wag na lang mag-live. Anong Grab driver? Itatry ko muna. Baka bagay naman. Gusto ko ng tracksuit. Kaso kapag tinernohan ko pa nito, magmukha akong player 1 talaga. Ano? Pag tinernohan ko nito, player 1 ang dating talaga niyan. Ang eksena, no? Ay, guys, meron pang ibang color yung ano, yung jacket. Merong navy blue. Navy blue or black? Black na lang para safe. Parang luma kasi tignan eh. Oo nga, black na lang. How about this shirt? No.
我直接就发现了我手感，出这个没有。
Gusto ko yan nung sinabi niyong movie it. Grabe kayo sa akin. Hindi naman talaga. Di na lang talaga. White? Anong white? Walang white. Welcome to Uniqlo. Kaso, pag pinakita ko sa inyo yung mga binili ko, edi pag sinut ko, alam nyo na yung kung ano yung nabili ko. Parang hindi na surprise. Kala mo talaga. Boss, ikot ka pa. Sige. Ang cute ng packaging. Green yung atake nila. Look, oh, so cute. Ay, mga ganyan silang eksena. Tapos yun. Yung mga shoes nila. Cute din naman to. No? Pero parang hindi ko siya vibe. Hindi ko siya style. Bumabalik ako dito, pero parang meron na kasi ang ganito. Anong bash nyo dito? Sukat mo. Ayan, nang utos pa. Nang utos pa. Ah, cute. Oh, may pa-doggy dito. Ayun na. Okay. Thank you.
2楼的，你猜呗，第几名？
Okay. Fit tayo mga box.
没有啊，还行。我今天上去看完我要的，我就想。
Oh, ayan na yung nagla-live. Ay, ano to? Ay, paano pala mag-fit? Ay! Hala! Ang galing! Tangina! Natawa ako. Diyan muna kayo. Wala, hindi ako na, ang hot naman dito. Ay, magko-content muna ako. Bahala kayo dyan. Wait lang. Dyan muna kayo mga box. Lukot! Lukot! Lukot ang damit. Kawawa naman kayo dyan. Oh, ganyan muna kayo, ha? Pakita kami. Oh. It's me. Wait, mag-fit tayo, ha? Diyan muna kayo. Baka makita niyo ako eh. Paano yan pag nakita niyo na yung suot ko, edi hindi na surprise. Ay, cute. Hala, nahihilo ako. Umaakit ba yung elevator? Charot. Parang umaakyat kami. Sure. Okay, 1. Yes or no? Parang not so much. Ang laki. Feeling ko small lang ako. Ang ganda oh. I like this. Me. Medium to. Small or medium? Small na lang. Ang haba. O, tingnan. Tingnan. Dapat kasi malayo eh. Ano? Small. Small na lang. Kuha ko ng small. Ala, tas nice yung likod do. Okay, I'll get this in small. Ay, kita pala ako sa loob. I'll get this in small. Oh, kasi ang haba din yun. Ay, medium to. Ba't gusto nyo medium? Ang laki yun. Parang, tsaka yung sa dito ko, yung sa neck. Hindi maganda. Small na lang. Kunin ka to. Kinakabahan ako dito sa isang bibilin ko kasi baka mabash na mukha kong ano. Squid Game. Gigigil ako. Talaga. Squid Game yarns. Nakakainis. Ano? Maganda. Ayoko naman ito. Kailangan malayo. Yes or no? Huwag na. Don't like. No? No. No. May nagsabi. Wag na daw. Yung isang sweater na lang. Pwede ko kaya ipa-plancha dito yung damit ko. Ang lukot talaga. Kaya pa-plancha. Bibili naman eh. Bumili naman eh. Bumili naman po eh. O kunwari style, nasa China naman mo. Char! 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 And I'm so happy I have new shoes. Tagal ko na siyang iniisip, legit. Kasi nung first day ko dito, nakita ko siya. Tapos, walang size 9. Tapos, sabi ko, sa website kaya nila, baka pwedeng mag-order. Tapos, mainit. Nainitan na. Tapos yun, wala daw. Meron pa pala dito eh. Na-addict ako sa sa brand na to, nakakainis. Hala, may ganito sino t-shirt. Oh my god, I want this. Wala, ang ganda ng nung print, oh. Maganon to kaya tayo. Hi! Can I get size small for this one? Yes. This one, no. Thank you. Si ate, binalikan ako. Kala siguro hindi ako bibili.
Oh, sorry, this one no small.
No small?
Yes.
Okay, medium.
Okay, I'm giving you one.
Yes, thank you. Love you, Char. Oh guys, wala nang small. Ay, ito kaya. Aray ko. Aray. Oh my God, parang naising. Anong size to? Ito kasi parang clean look. Ito, alam mo, ang ganda, pero may kasamang ganito sa loob. Ano ba? Charot. Ay, this is nice. This one kaya, pang everyday. 'Di ba?
这是 S，
Tinatamad na ako magsukat.
我觉得 M 刚好。老板是要
Ang cute, oh. Meron na silang blazer. Ito, gusto ko to. No? Or yung may pa-black, ay may pa-pink na eksena.
刚下来过。
Ito na lang. Anong size po ito? Ganda, oh. What size this one? Ganyan yung mga tanungan dito. What size this one? Ay! Hala, nice ito. Ano yung nakalagay sa likod? Alang bigat. Hindi. Oh my God, ang ganda. Sukat ka sa akin. Wait lang. Ang bigat. Paano ko to iuuwi? Ay, hindi ko feel. Tsaka. Mukha lang siyang maganda, pero hindi siya maganda. Don't like. Don't like it. I'm addicted to this brand. Ito, what size? Size extra small. Ay, extra small na to. O, diba? Naging extra small tayo for today's video. Bilhin ko na ito kahit tinatamad na ako magsukat. Ang ganda, oh. No? Bilhin ko ito. Okay. Wala nang... Guys, okay na to. Para meron akong isang t-shirt from them. Ay, pinawisan ako. Fuck, shit. Wala, may ibang color. Ito kaya. Meron na silang red, oh. Ganito din ba kayo sa CF? Yung parang hindi kayo makapili kung ano yung gusto nyo. Sana ganito din kayo. Yung parang lahat gusto nyo bilhin. I like this color. This one. Kesa yung white. Hello! Si Ote. Ako din. One. This is extra small.
Yeah, it's just
Okay, one. Ayan na yung orders ko.
这你买的吗？
Magkano to lahat? Kayo binubudol nyo ko. Hindi ko alam magkano. Bahala kayo. I have one more shirt.
Let me show the size.
Yes.
Size 这进来，
Yeah.
这个，这个。 这个楼标点是我的，长就自己就有。
还有一个
长焦也是。还有一个鞋，
不要提了。
还有脚鞋。
You don't need.
Only shoes.
This one.
This one also.
And one more shirt. Yeah. No small for this one.
Yeah, no.
How about extra small?
No, it's just one.
Okay.
On a minute.
没了吧？
还有一双，还有一个。
还有一双鞋。鞋王啊！
May itsura sila oh.
不是还有双鞋吗？我那个
Extra small and medium.
Hmm?
这节目直播一路。谁的？我的。
Ang ganda ng packaging. So guys, natututo tayo paano pag nagkaroon na tayo ng physical store. Ganyan pala mag-pack. Ah. Required ata lahat dito. May itsura. Okay. Ang ganda ng packaging nila. Ang premium. Uy, magkano to lahat? Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Sheshe. Ano daw? Magkano? Ewan ko, bala kayo. At least happy. Period. Success. Thank you for choosing. Hala, ang bigat. Ayan yung sinasabi ko, I don't like. Mukha ko ano. Nice. Lag. Walang credit card. Online yung ano. Online yung payment dito sa app. Yung ano, Alipay. I'm so happy. But annoyed at the same time. Cause look. Tanggal angas. Kaso kasi hanggang 10 lang yung mga shops dito. So, I have no choice but to bring all of this. Wow. Sobrang feeling. Kala mo naman talaga. Okay, ikot-ikot tayo. Alam nyo guys, di pa ako nag-eat buong day. Talaga. Nagkape lang. Am I lag? So, mamaya, pag mga after 10 na doon tayo kumain. Kasi hanggang 10 lang yung mga shops dito. Sayang naman. Ito maganda yung shop dito, pero it's not my style. Wait nga, mag-ayos muna. Baka may makitang cute, char. Lagay ko na yung bag ko sa loob ng paper bag para wala masyadong dala. Ayun, GC Life ko nga, ilabas ko na. Aatake na yan in 3. In 3. Guys, na-entertain ba kayo sa ginagawa ko? Ang ganda ng packaging nila. Dapat ganito rin sa CF, no? Sige, sige, sige. I got you guys. Okay. Maayos na yan siya. Ganyan yung isa. Ang gulo ng damit ko. Teka mo. Maya na ako magpapakita sa inyo. Ay, tingnan niyo, oh. Butterbeer Company. Ay, mamaya ka sa akin. Hanggang ano oras kaya sila? Ang vibe, oh. It's such a vibe. See? Maya yan sa akin. Kakain muna ako. Ay, alam nyo ba, meron dito parang rent-rent. Ang cute to. Sakto, palobat na ako. Pero hindi ako marunong paano operate. Ano tayong blackhead? Tingnan tayo. Ay, alam mo, ganito sila dito. Content kong content. Dead ma sa bashers. Accessories ata dyan. Ganda ng car. Inihaw! Ay, mga accessories. Ay, sabi niya, iba, kung gusto ko daw ba, ibaba yung gamit ko. Si ate, acts of service. Ay, nice yung mga shades, oh. Pero ayoko na. Don't like. Ayun yung eksena. May pawis. May pawis. Ay, kawawang. Ay, kawawa. Pawis yan siya. O, pak. Ganyan, no. Puro mga nagko-content talaga sila dito. Hanap pa tayo ng magandang shop. Gusto ko yung mga local brands. Maganda rin yung brand na to. Ito yung nasa ano ko, IG ko. Pumunta na ako dyan. Ay! Dami yung, ano to? Iba-iba yung mga atake nila dito. Ay, parang nice here. Let's go. Aray ko po. Sarap yun. Ay. Ay, wow! Hello! Wow! This is totally my vibe. I like this one. Period. Bili tayo ng shirt. Gusto ko magpalit. Ang ganda, oh, cropped yung effect nila. Alam mo, ang sarap mag-ano dito. Sarap mag-ano dito, yung baggy-baggy lahat. Sarap mag-ano dito, yung baggy-baggy lahat ng lahat ng damit. Parang comfort to. Kasi kung ganun yung eksena ng mga trend. Wala, ang cute ng mga stuff nila. Parang I like this. Wala, na-overwhelm mo naman ako. Alam mo, ganito ako kapag ang dami kong nakikita. I like this. I like this. Gusto ko ng crop na t-shirt. Meron kaya? Ayoko ng white eh. Gusto ko itong track pants. Sorry. What size is this one? It's free size. Okay, I'll try it. Wait. Ganda ni ate. Alam mo, ang paganda nila dito. So beautiful. Lahat sila may itsura. Lahat ng mga tindera may itsura. wow. Vlog ba? Guys, maganda ba? Parehas na. Do you have size small?
Large and extra.
Ang lalaki. Okay, I'll try. Ang laki, large lang daw ang meron. Okay na yun, try ko. Oh, okay. I think this one is better. Ay, kita niya na ba? Tinry ko yung black. Ay, tatry ko yung black. Tingnan niyo ano mas okay. Black. Tingnan niyo ano mas okay. Black. Tingnan niyo ano mas okay. Ko yung black. Ay, tatry ko yung black. Tingnan niyo ano mas okay. Ko yung black. Ay, tatry ko yung black. Tingnan niyo ano mas okay. Ko yung black, ay, tatry ko yung black, tingnan nyo ano mas okay. Ko yung black, ay, tatry ko yung black, tingnan nyo ano mas okay. Ko yung black, ay, tatry ko yung black, tingnan nyo ano mas okay. Ko yung black, ay, tatry ko yung black, tingnan nyo ano mas okay. Ko yung black, ay, tatry ko yung black, tingnan nyo ano mas okay. Parang not so much. Maganda ba? Parang hindi ko feel. 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 Hindi ako mukhang malinis tignan. Wait lang, magko-content lang.
Underwater exclusive, bitch.
Okay. Wait lang. Paano ko to dadalhin? Nang hindi nakaka-haggard. Okay, wait. Okay, how do you do this? Wait lang. Parang ayoko na mamili. Ay, paganto pala. Ang bigat. Ay, try nga natin dito sa ano. Char. Char. Parang ang girly. Ayoko. Ay, warang wala ng shops dito. Ay, ang bigat, Lord. Wait nga. Alo, hindi para mapigtas, oh. Teka mo. Ala, napigtas nga, ate ko. Ate, napigtas yun siya. Paano na? Bro. Uy, bakit yun na? Kasi? Ginajudge ako. Ibuhol mo sa kabila. Teka nga, yung bag ko lalagay ko doon. Paano ang buhol? Dito? Dito? Bubuhol ko? Hmm? Itali mo sa opposite. Wait. Okay, good idea. Kakapuri ko lang na ang ganda ng packaging nila. I'm scared. Maghanap nga muna ako restaurant. Puta. Tanggal ang so much. Where to eat? Careful, boss. Alam mo, babalik ako dun. Teka nga, hihingi ako ng isa pang paper bag. Tapos doon na lang ako banda kakain. Teka nga, magre-relive ako. Nahirapan na ako. BRB. Pagbalik ko, maayos na ako. Bye. Vlog po ba to? I-vlog natin. Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So, right now I'm here in a random bar in China. And I'm alone. I'm just having some beer. Because beer is life. I love beer. This is my alter ego. This is my lip tint. It's from Happy Skin. Shade is Low Key. I love Happy Skin. And then you know what? I've been wanting this pair of shoes. It's there. This one. I bought it na. Kasi at first, I was afraid. I was petrified shedding. Nung una kasi wala yung size ko. Tapos ngayon, pagbalik ko, meron na daw 39. I'm so happy. I love this thing. Ayun lang. This is me right now. Welcome to my vlog. That's my drink, my lip tint. This is where I'm sitting. Ito yung binili ko kanina. Ay, tas binili ko pala yung joggers. Tas nilagay ko na lang dyan kasi ayoko na ang daming bit-bit. Ang sakit ng likod. So, yun. Ganyan lang yung ganap ko ngayon vlog. Do you miss my face? Hindi ko alam kung may massage dyan malapit. Ito, oh, hi, it's me.
他从以前开始就是了，对，他从以前开始就是。
他每一次很想跟我到那里去，坐一下午，在那个场吃饭，我把他们回去了，很喜欢去。然后前段时间我妈跟他说，家里跟喝茶那个桶啊，
哦，那是到
I'm hungry po.
对，就是那个蓄水的，突然放干净水的，那种饮用水那种纯净水那种壶啊，比如说家里没
买水的那种。
哎，
I love the phone. I got it.
那桶还是买的。
It's from local brand.
买水送两桶，那我妈
Dito lang. Yesterday.
我拿两个新的好用，就是水冻啊。
对呀，旧了。
Maganda nga siya, pero hindi ko kasi na-plancha eh. What time is it there? Same time lang sa Philippines.
给别人给过很多次那种旧的给我妈。
Parang ang pabebe ko. Where are you po? China.
对，好像他好像发现我这还有标准桶啊，那我们。
ordered like a bit, like it's like 7 or maybe, and it was like some
English bottle.
many is over there.
Thanks.
Hala, ang dami ng show. Nakakahiya na mag-vlog.
High polish man, that's 100%. But this one, yeah, so never mind.
他又说两年，被一
That one I'm pretty sure. Wait, what is the butterbeer?
一个就出进去了。
Oh, and
Ang
in
dami nga
English.
chiclet. May amoy naman. Charot.
对，不是解说。
Ano yun?
Cinnamon. With English. Butter.
对呀，对呀。
It sounded good with a whiskey. I might have to skip on that. 'Cause I'm not gonna whiskey.
Like rain.
So it's like a white grape. It's like that. I don't know what person. I'm sure if I knew what was that would be, I'd be like, yeah,
Yeah, he's a tester. I think he's like this.
对呀，他骨折就废了哇！那你，
right?
他就是等你妈说出这句话，妈的。 他说这里我们就搞不会了，他不会，带出来不会，对，就挺好听你的。
No, just trying to go okay. I will. I want something else, but I'm still thinking. Sorry, to do that first. Again, every time I get so close to ordering something, then it's got like a cure. I'm not whiskey, I'm not
Oo,
whiskey.
tayo lang mga
You just trust the process. Maybe I need to do that.
Taste your mouth and then
Ano, hindi ako maarte kayo. Kaya ko
看见，
keep it on the grinder.
太生气了，我操，这种贱，
Dito lang ako maarte.
Yeah, remember? Yeah, exactly. So then
Iba lang yung sa akin ngayon.
So, like,
Okay, let me. Okay, here, okay.
like what you have right now is the temperature, what you eat
Okay, now we're talking about.
可以可怜呗，妈的。
like how much is it?
Hindi ko alam kung natitip si Bao.
Maybe is a butterbeer kind of. We're in butterbeer. Maybe it's a butterbeer situation. Yeah, like,
自己煮他妈在店吃，然后他拌酱，他就这么吃了。
It's gonna be a bit of a kick to it, because whiskey in there. That'll put
I'm
like
gonna
the
miss you
umami
guys.
flavour.
Oh, now I'm saying words I don't know. Oh yeah. Good on me to define umami.
Do you like the sauce?
罗良就跟我说过一句话，
It's a super.
他家里面做饭，
Must be some umami. That's actually that's
然
wow.
后我就跟
It's like that.
说过一
And then can I get a butterbeer, please?
Okay, this a piece of sweet, this is okay.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much. Separate.
可以过来帮我的。
You want a 38?
他比较看书，
Yeah, I've got one.
I've paid. Oh, we've all paid.
他他
More tasty.
Help!
然后我就把这些案例告诉了一些罗良，然后我那时候跟罗良开车的。
Miss you the fuck. Di pa tayo, te. Parang iba yung atake. Maliit lang kasi to. As in, maliit lang siya.
Oh, I see. Is that what middle person we just step aside that one? Oh, well, we can.
Bill out na.
She's right there, mate.
Hi.
What about me? Oh yeah, sorry.
She's right there, down.
We can move it touch-free.
Oh, te.
Or you could. That's. Oh, that's alright. Oh, that's gonna be a triangle. But
Yeah, we can try it.
this is fine.
Hala, lumapit pa talaga.
I will take it. And if I. That's perfect. Thank you.
But they taste it 2 layers is more tasty.
Okay, thank you. Amazing advice. I would be gentleman with you any day of the week, but it would feel like I was picking favourites where we would go out. Can you imagine?
Alam mo, hindi ko alam kung saan yung sumasakit yung ulo ko. Sa English ba? O sa camp? Yun pala yun. Yun pala yung amoy.
Real quick. How is that happy?
不会给的，
If I want to finish this, that's what I'm talking.
Sabi ko, hindi ako
Yeah, I was talking about how Tony was like helping me down the steps. And then he said, right, that's the same thing. And then, so we're not there.
Where was it?
Down the tower.
太少了。
I would recommend Yangshuo, like you should visit it, it's really...
TV tower.
Oh, TV Towers, you know how it's like the hills at the hills? Well, I volunteered to, but I hated every second of it. But you know the mountains like that? It was one of the like high ones, I need to go up it.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, it's not long, it's only like an hour, but an hour I'd rather
English,
spend.
lumikit.
That's wonderful.
Buti hindi niya na.
Yeah, this happens sometimes. There's nothing you can do about it. It's great.
Happy
You've got-
midnight.
It's great good night, guys.
没有说明确的，就是说借给他的，然后说是。
Yeah, but I mean, taste of like the
Chinese that this way.
Sabi ko, one baht lang, pero parang gusto kayo lumipat.
The only expensive thing about it is getting here is being here. Like, that way.
I mean, like,
我们处理公司的那个太烂了，
Hirap kasi mag-ikot-ikot mo na lang. Bigtas na naman yung
That's only because you said unemployed people like you're selling them when you're one of them.
真的，那时候我就
You're a degree, you're an Oxford graduate, trying to
Panira ng baby time eh. Ang intimate na natin kanina eh. Charot.
I was gonna say, my boy is
Ubusin ko lang patas. Tara na.
you're basically you're sold now.
Just finished coffee all day today.
Alam mo yung tingalan, di ko na kayo kanina. Charot.
Yeah, exactly. Throw a handshake and a TV in your hand, like get a job. Exactly that. I like this spot, I could.
Oh, actually. I'm more with it. I know these ones. I know the one you
European.
Oh, yeah, you know the European one. Like,
I love you.
it looks like Europe. It's
Does it look like Europe?
a little bit. I think, yeah, Sabian Island. It's supposed to look like, I'm going there in a couple days. Oh, tomorrow. It's supposed to look like,
好出来干嘛？你老在那单山，对啦，真的。有人保障，老是会觉得。
Most of them are English. Because they're so Chinese, you're finding difficult to read and go back English.
Nasa bar ka, tapos ganito ginagawa.
That just looks like
it's supposed to be like, but this is definitely a Chinese version of Europe. Like,
Yeah.
it's like our Chinatown basically.
in Shanghai they have like a little UK or something stupid. They got a mini Paris as well somewhere, but I don't remember where. It's in China. It's in China.
太夸张了，很多实业的，很好的项目。
I did nothing. That's it, the whole-
Wala, 30 portions na lang.
Oh, I hear that. We stand until now.
正常人开因为开歌，
Why are you Arabic?
然后再开 A 来 B 再才换才我两个自己搞的，讲话以后推那个车走，推到下一推100推到下一步再去挂，然后我妈就说你这车怎么开呀？你开过，他就跟你说。
I love you forever.
Oh, shake.
Bakit may
I
pala?
know I lapped it up on the house.
Yeah, right.
We even do like in Paris and
And they give you hints that, like, even I don't know how to write pineapple, but I know the second, on the pineapple voice of the second and third one, how you say pineapple. Both of them, you can see the line of the 2 lines on the top, that means grass. So I know that's something to do with nature and fruit, whereas the others don't have any hints of that. The bottom one has a mouth, so that's vaguely to do with that, so that means beer or drink of some kind. So you can kind of piece together, based on the, I have no idea how to say it, but like, I know it's going to be
I was
those 2 pineapple, that one's going to be
And also, that means
use that
it's like linguistic, like on like a literature basis. When I have like a word that resembles another word that actually has meaning, like that's when you get to into like a couple more layers, and it's getting me really excited about when you can learn a language that has another. It's like it's like 4 years writing. I'm not really. I don't know. It's just I love it.
Sa English o amoy? Yan ang tanong.
I didn't try yours. It smells like I
We've been doing it like very competitively.
We've been doing it right. There are these Facebook where
I already have a couple of them, yeah.
the last 5 years, the guys like I've been on top of it.
Maybe. about to get top. You're gonna have some higher. You just looked like you just laughing up in the top. She didn't say at the top. She said I'm in the top.
Where are you from? China. Bawat country, iba-iba yung nationalidad.
I taught the Chinese person to shout like that.
Nationalidad?
So, what I've been up to,
Yeah, we saw your video.
which one?
When we were up the mountain, we got a video from James, and we were like, what's the video? She's like, we don't know. So we
Oh my God.
And then you guys had a way to look at the top of around here. I was like,
Well, I was saying you should video calls, imagine that.
Parang feeling ko meron akong kasamang kaibigan ngayon. Oh my God. Ang ingay. Hindi tayo magpapasali. Ahem.
it's like deserty part.
Yeah, we got. Where's it like Egypt?
Egypt, so like they're drying grapes on the walls in the like these are grapes, super grapes. In the like I was in this like
This is Asahi Black.
desert city thing.
Nirecommend nung barista.
Anyway, I went out to see my friend.
Hindi masarap.
Sit down
Hindi siya suwabe.
and see my boxing coach from last
Ang ingay, ang ingay, ang ingay, ang ingay.
I went out there to see the boxing coach. I said I was joining the class. He was like, yeah, we'll come at this time this day. I thought it was like an industrial complex, really cool. And I was like, I'm
Industrial complex where?
an industrial complex out here in the desert. Yeah, yeah. So already straight. Yeah, yeah. But it's like big company type buildings, like office buildings. And I'm like, I don't know what's going on in the right place. My boxing coach comes up the bottom of the boxing building. He's like, hey, James. He doesn't speak English. He was like, hello, goodbye, thank you, James. It's like,
I think it's the English.
Mandarin that we saw.
Ulo ko.
Anyway, do that.
Bakit bigla sunod-sunod kong naririnig?
He's like, oh, it's just on the second floor. It's an office building. I need to find the reference picture here because he was unreal at the. So I get in the lift at the office building, get out the lift, and it's this. This is Shaolin Temple.
Ate, wala
This is
kasing
like
break.
one of the only.
Dire-diretso.
This is one of like 25 like registered Shaolin sites in all China. Like this is it. Shaolin are like the monks from Beijing, like the original Shaolin. It's like the cabal of monks. The bold guys who balance the staff in the monkey pose and do like the bar and then like jump and kick and
I
displays.
saw like
Nakinig.
a video where they had like six little bends on their neck, felt like one of them was driving it in. It was
Yeah, they're Shaolin guys. Orange robes, monks, warrior monks, also meditate on that. Anyway, so I was just training in the Shaolin temple with this guy, basically. He got in like an office building, it was really odd. So this was us, and that's why I said I need a shower, because this was us today. This is me and Jonah. But then you get in, it's like a proper fight on.
Tingin ko
I've
yan.
never seen you fight.
Oh, uh-oh. This is Jonah who boxes.
Which one's you? Are you the...
Which one's me?
Are you the shape?
Is she joking? You guys are deadly serious?
No, look, in fairness, you held it like this, I'm not here.
Okay na to, okay na to. Tama na, tama na, tama na.
I don't know if you guys know what Muay Thai looks
Hindi
like.
naman nagsishare.
It's kind of Muay Thai.
Okay na. Mark safe. Mark safe mga box. Lag. Lag. Mute. Eto be. Eto be, okay na be. Lag pa din. O, tama na to. Lag pa din, box. Stay with me. With me. Book na ako. I'm bored na. I'm bored. Uwi na ako. Punta na ako hotel. Dito nga muna ako. Bye! I'm gonna book now. Ayun yung eksena ko. Magbubook pa ako eh. I'm gonna book a taxi. Grab. Uber. Going back to the hotel. See you later, alligator. I'll try to go live again for you. Balik ako sa hotel, ha? Tingin ako baka may food pa dun sa baba. KK, see you later. Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for... dapat ganito pala pag-vlog. Click here to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Press the notification. Basta, kaya live na lang eh. Bye-bye. Okay na. O, pang screenshot. Bye!